Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make rolls in an air fryer. First, gather your preferred roll dough, whether it's a homemade recipe or a convenient store-bought option. Next, make sure your air fryer basket is clean and prepared for cooking. A quick wipe down is usually all it takes. Finally, lightly grease the basket to prevent any sticking, ensuring your rolls come out perfectly. This simple preparation sets you up for delicious results. Now, let's get those rolls cooking. Carefully arrange your rolls in a single layer within the air fryer basket, making sure to leave a little space between each one for even cooking and expansion. Set your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the rolls for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them, looking for that beautiful golden brown color, which indicates they are perfectly baked and ready. For truly delicious rolls, remember these pro tips. First, never overcrowd your air fryer basket. Cooking in batches ensures optimal airflow and even results. Second, consider flipping your rolls halfway through the cooking time to achieve uniform browning on all sides. Finally, for perfect doneness, use a food thermometer to check that the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. These steps guarantee fluffy, perfectly cooked rolls every time. Once your rolls are golden and cooked through, carefully remove them from the hot air fryer basket. For an extra touch of deliciousness, you can brush them with a little melted butter while they're still warm. This adds a lovely sheen and rich flavor. Serve your freshly baked, fluffy rolls immediately alongside your favorite meal or as a delightful snack. Enjoy the wonderful aroma and taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.